Ultimate no-bake pumpkin cheesecake tiramisu. It's actually pretty easy to make with no baking required. We will begin by preparing the pumpkin mousse. In a large bowl, combine 8 ounces room temperature cream cheese, 15 ounces or 1 can pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup light brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon pumpkin spice, and 2 cups chilled heavy cream. Using an electric mixer, whip the mixture until it forms medium stiff peaks. Mix together 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar with 2 cups espresso or strong coffee and 3 tablespoons bourbon or rum. For this recipe, I'm using rum flavoring or rum extract. Continue to mix until the sugar is dissolved. We are going to dip the ladyfingers in the coffee on both sides. Dip for 1 to 2 seconds on each side. We will need 2 7-ounce packages of Savoiardi ladyfinger cookies, approximately 24 pieces. We will line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with the coffee-dipped ladyfingers. You can break them apart as needed to fit. After we have placed the first layer of ladyfingers, we will top it with 1/4 of the pumpkin mousse and spread it into an even layer. Then we will repeat with the remaining ladyfingers and mousse to make 3 more layers, ending with the pumpkin mousse on top. Cover the springform pan with plastic cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours. It is best to refrigerate the pumpkin cheesecake tiramisu overnight. Abracadabra! It's the morning after, and now we're ready to serve our pumpkin cheesecake tiramisu. Sprinkle the top with 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted and salted pumpkin seeds and some dark chocolate shavings, or dust the cake with chocolate powder if desired. It can be sliced and served into wedges. One of the things I love about this recipe is how versatile it is. You can customize it to your taste by adding different spices or flavorings, like cinnamon or nutmeg or sea salt caramel. If you're looking for more dessert inspiration, be sure to check out my other recipe videos. Enjoy!